When you think of ceramic watches, you probably think of luxury brands like Omega or Rado. But what if I told you there's now a full ceramic case watch, beautifully designed, incredibly well built, for under $1,000? Meet the Earthen Company Summit, a newcomer from Hong Kong that's redefining what affordable ceramic craftsmanship can look like. At first glance, the Summit feels like a modern field or pilot watch, clean, compact, and functional. But it's the case that steals the show. This 38mm high-tech white ceramic case is lightweight, scratch-resistant, and finished with impressive detail. You'll notice deep linear brushing along the sides, soft radial brushing on the bezel, and polished chamfers that reflect light beautifully. It's feather light at just 10mm thick and rated for 100 meters of water resistance, making it both practical and premium in feel. On the dial, there's a clear nod to IWC's Mark 11, with bold Arabic numerals, a clean minute track, and that inverted triangle at 12. The sword-style hands and printed indices make it legible at a glance, while the ring-shaped counterweight on the seconds hand adds a playful twist. Powering it all is the reliable Miyota 9039 automatic movement, offering a 42-hour power reserve and running at 28,800 beats per hour, a trusted engine in the micro-brand world. Each Summit comes on a sail cloth-textured rubber strap, soft yet durable, and this whiteout edition goes bold with a pure white setup. It's minimalist, futuristic, and surprisingly versatile. Swap in an orange or black strap, and you've got a whole new personality. At $899, the Earthen Summit proves that ceramic watches don't have to live in the luxury tier. It's affordable innovation done right, and a name you'll definitely want to watch.